If it wasn't enough that the Silicon Valley Bank failure caused concern with a mixed jobs report, the S&P 500 lost over 4% and volatility ticked higher to close over 22. Bitcoin lost over 9%. Gold and longer-dated bonds ascended 1% and 4% respectively. We breached the two simple moving average on the SPY daily, which doesn't look great. The next recent low is 374 in December. If you flip to the weekly chart, there is a semi-encouraging support at 371.73. Some members are calling for 350. For the week, all sectors declined. Consumer defensive lost 2.41% and basic materials lost 7.98%. Bitcoin, the two simple moving average at 19,699 as well as the 20,000 remain the psychological line in the sand in terms of the next levels of support. Note we did breach 20,000 briefly on Friday, March 10th. Yields fell while the spread between the 2-year and 10-year exceeded -1%, then bounced back to -0.88%. The US dollar, having been in an uptrend since February, is starting to show some weakness. A weaker dollar could be good news for large US multinational companies. Gold. It is worth noting that gold continued to rise this week, gapping up on Friday. We called out a long bullish GLD 170-174th call spread to May for a $200 debit. I bought one GLD May 19th call at the 170 strike for $502. I sold one GLD May 19th call at the 174 strike for $302. So far this trade is up 19%, so you may want to adjust the strikes a bit higher on Monday. The VIX rose 8% this week, up to levels not seen since December. Look for premium selling strategies this week, such as selling cash-secured puts, covered calls, strangles, and iron condors. This week we left neutral territory, skipped fear, and moved into extreme fear territory. Note in the second chart below the trend of the put-call ratio at 1.11. This means for every bullish call someone buys, there are 1.11 bearish puts bought, a sign of fear. Earnings next week. Next week we'll see earnings from GitLab, Adobe, FedEx, Lennar, and Dollar General. I'll be calling out trades on our Discord. Last week we made $77 overnight in a CRWD iron condor. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and get notified whenever we publish new content.